Let's install Hyper-V on Windows 11. First, I need to come down here and search for Turn Windows Features On or Off. Inside here, we will select Hyper-V and make sure that everything under that is ticked, including Hyper-V Management Tools and Hyper-V Platform. We will then click OK and wait for our computer to install these components. Once that is complete, we can restart the machine. Now the machine is restarted, we can launch Hyper-V by searching for Hyper-V. We can launch Hyper-V Manager, and from here we can start to install our virtual machines. In Windows 11, on the Hyper-V Manager, if we click Quick Create, we are presented with this box and select Windows 11 and Create Virtual Machine. This will download Windows 11 from Microsoft for a development environment and will install it onto your Windows 11 machine without any other user interaction. Let's wait for that to install. Now that is installed, we can click Edit Settings and we can see the specification of this virtual machine. It has been assigned 2 virtual processors by default and 4 GB worth of RAM, but we can change those to whatever specification we wish. Let's click Connect to connect to this virtual machine and click Start to turn it on. Now we will wait for the virtual machine to boot for the first time. This could take a few minutes. Once this is completed, there is a default user called User, and we can just click Sign In without any password. After we have signed in, this may take another few minutes to fully configure the Windows 11 virtual machine. And we are presented with Windows 11 running in a virtual machine on top of Windows 11 by using Hyper-V that is built into Windows. Should you now wish to remove this virtual machine, we can simply right-click on it and click Delete, and this will remove the virtual machine and all the associated components of this virtual machine. And that concludes installing Hyper-V onto Windows 11 and also removing a virtual machine from Hyper-V on Windows 11.
And you know the routine, hashtag like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed this video and will join me next time. Goodbye.